Every charging enterprise work on their own application. Whatever solutions are available in the market, we are providing using this OCPP platform where you can charge the vehicle.
Hi, can you please introduce yourselves and share a little bit about your journey with your startup?
Okay. So my name is Gaurav Mandora. I'm the founder of MGLETS E-Power Private Limited, which we have founded in 2020, and currently we are expanding till now pan India.
What inspired you to start MGLADS and what gap in India's EV ecosystem are you trying to fill when you launched it?
So I am an electrical engineer. I have passed out at 2014. Then I did so many jobs, but my main goal was to do a business. So I come into this industry as this is a very growing industry, as Modi ji is saying the mobility goes beyond and beyond and beyond. So I come into this industry as an EV charging infra solution provider for pan India basis.
How do you position MGLADS differently from other EV charging solution providers in the market?
Okay, so what MGLETS is exactly doing, MGLETS is providing charging solution pan India. So we are not providing whole proper infrastructures, we are providing as per the customer's requirement, that what exactly he needs or she needs. Like if he needs only charger or commissioning, civil work, wiring work, infrastructure work and so on. But main differentiate what other companies is like, every charging enterprise work on their own application. But MGLETS doesn't require its own application also. We have our own web page portal also, in which you can directly scan the QR code of the charger and you can charge the vehicle. So this is how we are differentiate from the other companies.
Can you tell us more about the types of chargers you offer?
Okay, so we have AC and DC, both the type of chargers, which comes under CCS2, Type 2, simple 3-pin socket, ChargeMO and GPT. So whatever solutions are available in the market, we are providing to the every customers.
What kind of technology or software backend supports your charging stations? For example, user tracking, payment systems, or energy efficiency.
Okay, so we have our own application which is MGLETS, in which you can charge your own vehicle once you come at the charging solution. Secondly, these chargers are working on OCPP platform. Every industry is using for the electric vehicle charging infrastructure is using this OCPP platform where you can charge the vehicle. So we are using the same application. Other than that, as I already explained, that we have our own web page or portal. So apart from this, we are going with the FASTag technology also, where you don't have to download the application. Directly you can come from your vehicle, you can scan the QR code, and from the FASTag you can charge the vehicle. And thirdly, we are using UPI. So you don't have to download the application or neither FASTag. You just pay the amount using any UPI app and you can charge the vehicle.
How many charging stations has MGLADS installed so far?
So currently we have installed 500 plus charging solutions pan India, which includes Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Kerala, in which we have the prime customers like Ahmedabad railway stations, Sabarmati railway station. So in when we have supplied in Indian Railway, we have supplied in IOCL, we are the vendor of IOCL, and our biggest customers currently is Ayodhya Ram Mandir. So we have supplied in Ayodhya Ram Mandir. Other than that, we have supplied in Adani, we have supplied in different builders, different industries and so on.
And what's your expansion plan across India for the next few years?
So after this scenarios, currently we are planning to go with every rural stage 1, stage 2 stage 3 locations pan India, where everyone can set up their own charger, not in India but outside of India also we are planning to expand right now.
What steps are you taking to make EV charging more accessible, faster and affordable for everyday consumers?
Okay, so currently we are using our own platform to find it out where the charging station is installed. Other than that, we have set up the chargers on Google. Currently, everyone is using Google to find it out. Like if you want to go restaurant, so you turn on your location and you will write restaurant near me. So like that, we set up the charging station, we onboard the charging on the Google. And the biggest platform in this industry is Plug and Share application. So any individual or the EV owner who has the electric vehicles have this application. So we onboard that charger on the app. So anyone can easily access our own chargers.
How has government support been like, and are there any collaborations?
Okay, so up to the government side, government is giving subsidy right now in unit price, like in Ahmedabad or in Gujarat. Torrent in GGBCL is giving subsidy where electricity price is 4 rupee 20 paisa. In other than that, government, the state government and central government is giving the subsidy in charging infrastructure on particular state highways and other different highways. So this is our government is helping us to create the infrastructure more big.
Where do you see India's EV charging ecosystem heading in the next 5 years? And what role will MGLATS play in shaping it?
Okay, so government is planning 25-kilometer areas on every highway. They will install the chargers. They are planning, and in city they are planning every 5-kilometer area they will install the chargers. So we are taking the part to initiate this industry more big, and how we can edit our MGLATS company's part into this industry. So we are planning right now to go pan India, and as soon as possible we are covering 10 to 20% of the market share in pan India to set up the charging infrastructures.
Have you raised any funding for this startup?
Currently from the VC side we haven't received the fund yet, but from the government side we took SISF grant of 20 lakh rupees from GISC, G2 Innovation and Startup Center.
Okay. And what's your revenue like?
Okay, so revenue till now we have done more than 50 lakh rupees till now, apart from the subsidy, and currently we have good orders from the NHEV and other different vendors also. Currently we have different locations to set up the chargers, so also we are looking for the investors to set up pan India.
And what's the roadmap in terms of the numbers growing?
Numbers growing every year. We are planning to go with 1000 plus chargers. Currently we for this year we are planning to set up 500 plus chargers pan India DC. For next year we are planning 1000, and then next year we are planning 2500 plus chargers pan India.
And do you have your manufacturing unit set up?
Yes, we have our own manufacturing in Ahmedabad, which we got from GISC with the help of GISC, as we took the grant from them.
Okay. And anything else that you'd like to tell the people who are running their own business, any young entrepreneur, one thing that keeps you motivated and keeps you going?
As per my point of view, it's like go with the flow. What government is initiating, you just take a part. Like in this industry, Modi ji and this industry is saying like petrol nahi, you have to go with EV, ethanol and hydrogen. So as I took the part as an industry to grow with the market, so I suggest everyone to what government is supporting now, just go with that particular side. Only go with the flow model.
Okay, thank you so much and best of luck for your startup.
Thank you so much.